Today we are cooking Boy Scout omelet in a baggie. I mixed tomatoes, 3 eggs, a little pepper, and a little garlic in there, along with bell pepper, red bell pepper, so it's awesome. I'm going to be cooking it for approximately 13 to 15 minutes, but it's going to be well worth it. And I'm going to show you the end result later today. So please take a look at this, John, and my other campers out there who are bordering on getting their Eagle Scout, and we will, catch you back in the next 15 minutes. So we will talk back at you in 15 minutes to see the final result of this Boy Scout omelet, where you boil the water, cook it for 15 minutes, and you can do this on a fire also, out in the bush, so to speak, out in the North Georgia woods. So we'll talk to you soon, and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.